All right, it's been a marathon day. So I'm staying at the Doubletree Tropicana. Did not know it looked like this. I knew it was older. I knew it was I'm just telling you, it smells like smoke. This is where I had to park all through that garage, self-parking. My car's way down there. I'm tired, but anyway, enough of that. So here's the Tropicana. And this is the side that you enter in on if you want a bellhop. There's another side for rideshare and so forth, but there's no bellhop. So let's see what this place looks like, and I'll show you my room. Looks like a bunch of Virgin Airlines flight attendants and pilots. It totally smells like smoke. I wish you could smell this. This is the very last diamond room they have in this section of the Tropicana. So I got really lucky. I'm in room 1530. Okay, just imagine this in the 50s and 60s as being a nice room. I don't even know where the lights are. Oh, here. She said there was supposed to be a fridge in this room, but there is no fridge. Here's the... Oh, there's a fridge. We were looking somewhere else, me and the bellman. At least you got USBs there. So again, try to remember this from I think this was pretty big in the 60s. Pretty popular. The Laugh Factory is also in the same hotel, but I'm just telling you, a ton of smoke. And the lady said some people are smoking pot, which I don't even know what that smells like. I just smell smoke. So they need a better ventilation system. So this is what I look at. Oh, there's Mandalay Bay. Stayed there a few times. And because I'm Diamond, I also get a $30 voucher for Robert Irvine's restaurant, which I think I'll just go there because I'm tired, or Starbucks. I'm going to the Robert Irvine's restaurant where I get a $30 credit. Let's see. So this is every day. Look at the breakfast specials. This is a Negro Moderni or something, and it only cost me $6. So the cocktails here are not as bad as some other places. They're only $15. That's pretty good. The wine's not bad too. You can get something for $10. Look at this monstrosity. Look how much food this is. This is enough for like 2 people easily. So I'll probably only eat this much tonight. And look at all those tater tots. So pretty good reviews on Yelp. Just so you can see how tired I am. This is like, I think almost like a 20-hour day. So this is the gym, faces the pool. You get up here, across the casino, take the escalator, it's up here. It's pretty small. But you got the pool. It's gonna be 88 degrees today.